I'm Jay Montague. This is Mike Fusco. We work with Stonescape Steel Roofing, and we're in Parker, Colorado right now. We're installing a Tilcor. It's a stone-coated steel roofing system. Some of the benefits for stone-coated steel is energy efficiency. Withstands hail a lot better than asphalt shingles. It's also just super dependable. You can't see dents from the street, even if there is any damage.
Stone-coated steel lasts 3 to 5 times, sometimes 7 to 10 times longer than asphalt. So stone-coated steel will be definitely cheaper in the long run. It saves you 20 to 30% of your utility bills on a monthly basis. Your insurance premiums will go down by 30 to 50% on a monthly basis. So in the long run, if you plan on selling your house, you're going to add 3 to 5% value to your property by putting this roof on as opposed to an asphalt roof. If you're keeping your house, you're going to save 20 to 40% on your utility bills on a monthly basis. You're going to save up to 50% on a monthly basis on your insurance premiums. You won't be filing a claim next year when your neighbors with the impact-resistant shingle will be paying 5% of the value of their property for their deductible. So in the long haul, you'll be saving all kinds of money as opposed to putting a 30 or a 40-year impact-resistant shingle on your roof. We aren't tearing off the shingles on this job. We don't have to. The 2016 and 2018 code allows us to do a direct overlay. Also, we can do a batten system, which will even be more energy efficient, which is what we did here. And this is tying directly into the framing of the house, so you can do a direct layover that way. The benefits of laying stone-coated steel directly over your asphalt shingle is, number one, you'll be reducing the trash that goes to the dump. With 1.2 million pounds of asphalt shingles go to our dumps in Colorado on an annual basis, so that's a substantial savings environmentally. You won't get the mess around the house, and it will reduce the cost of your roof. Wouldn't you say, Jay?
Yeah. So if you need to have your roof checked for any reason at all, maybe you think you have hail damage, maybe you want a stone-coated steel roofing quote, all you have to do is get in touch with Stonescape Steel Roofing. You can find us on the internet. We have a website. You can also give us a call. We would be happy to come out, inspect the roof for you. It typically takes 15 to 20 minutes. After that, we will give you options as far as a stone-coated steel roofing system or just an asphalt system, whichever one. But the main thing is we are giving you options.
So we are giving them an option for an asphalt roof also?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So guys, if you do need a new roof, reach out to us at 303-823-2365. We are honest, we have integrity, and we will do a great job for you.